Here's the fastest way in which you can quickly detect apps that are currently running in the background and draining your battery life that you don't know about. And this is for Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 phones or 14 phones with HyperOS 2. So wherever you are currently on your phone, you can use the quick access like this here. Look for the settings toggle, this one right here. And once in this section here, just go down to the battery section. Once you see battery, go into it. And from here now, you'll see a few options here. And one of them would be the battery checkup. So you'll tap right here. And once you go here, you'll see this will show up for you. You're going to see all these different options here. And it's going to tell you close apps that drain battery right here. And of course, once you select this here, you will see them. And then you can also choose the automatic brightness settings, and a few other suggestions will show up here. You can just toggle them right here. You see these options here? Just check them off if you want to. It's totally up to you. And then you'll be able to add some extra time to your battery life. And once you press this one here, it's going to run it for you, clear it out for you, optimize it for you, and you will be good to go. Okay, so that's that. Like and sub.